coastal plains, every village, every heart remains united by the red, black, and gold. Our ancestor stories forever told. Through the struggles we found our light. Now we dance in the glow of freedom bright. Our culture rich, our spirits bold. Papua New Guinea, a treasure to behold. Oh, sing with me, let the drums resound. Feel the rhythm rising from the ground. Every voice, every tribe, we sing as one. Our journey to greatness has just begun. Oh, we rise. Oh, we'll rise. Papua New Guinea, we stand tall. From the mountains to the islands, we hear the call. 49 years, our flag flies high. Together we soar, touching the sky. In unity, we're stronger each day. Papua New Guinea, let's celebrate our way. In the rivers and valleys, the land we roam. Every corner of this place is home. From the Kumo's flight to the sea so wide, our strength is rooted deep inside. With every hand we lift the nation. We're proud to shout our celebration. A land of peace, a land of soul. Papua New Guinea, we carry on. So let the world see what we've become. A people united, a rising sun. Through trials and triumphs, we've come so far. Now we shine like the brightest star. Oh, we rise, Papua New Guinea, we stand tall. From the mountains to the islands, we hear the call. 49 years, our flag flies high. Together we soar, touching the sky. In unity, we're stronger each day. Papua New Guinea, let's celebrate our way. For the land of our fathers, for the future we see, Papua New Guinea forever free. With love and pride, we'll always stay. Together we rise on Independence Day.